Hey there, curious minds. Today, we're diving into the mesmerizing world of Revelation, specifically chapters 16 to 18. This part of the Bible is like an intense, dramatic movie full of symbolism and powerful messages. So buckle up. Chapter 16 kicks off with 7 angels pouring out 7 bowls of God's wrath onto the earth. Each bowl brings a new calamity, from painful sores to rivers turning to blood, and even a scorching sun. You might wonder, what's the significance? These plagues echo the 10 plagues of Egypt, reinforcing the theme of divine judgment.
In verses 14 to 16, we hear about Armageddon, a term that's captured imaginations for centuries. It's not just a battlefield, but represents the ultimate clash between good and evil. The message is clear: justice prevails, but not without struggle.
Moving to chapter 17, we're introduced to a mysterious woman riding a scarlet beast. Dubbed Babylon the Great, she symbolizes corruption and decadence. The main takeaway here is a warning against moral decay and idolatry that steer us away from faith. Verse 14 is crucial. These will wage war against the Lamb, but the Lamb will triumph. It's a reassurance that even amid chaos, faith and righteousness will ultimately win, for the Lamb symbolizes Jesus.
Chapter 18 brings us to the fall of Babylon. This isn't just about a city. It's about the downfall of a morally bankrupt society. Filled with lamentations of merchants and kings who thrived on her excesses, this chapter highlights the fleeting nature of material wealth and power. A standout verse here is verse 10. Woe, woe, O great city, Babylon, city of power! In 1 hour, your doom has come. It's a stark reminder of how quickly worldly greatness can crumble.
As the heavenly voice calls out in verse 5, God has remembered her crimes. The theme of divine justice shines through, urging us to live a life aligned with spiritual values rather than succumbing to indulgent distractions. So, there you have it, a whirlwind tour through 3 intense chapters of Revelation. These stories are about more than wrath and destruction. They're a call to choose faith and integrity over corruption and short-lived glory. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious.